Oh God, just drop the phone, I don't care.
Where are you going, you silly bugger?
Where's it going?
I'm just teasing. Yeah, here's his head, yeah? Yeah, well, just wait. Get Mark grab. Okay.
No, I'll be better off with this grab there.
It's going to come up there. It'll come up eventually.
Very angry snake, I can hear it.
Yeah, I can hear it hissing like hell. Here comes the head again. His jaw's been damaged though.
Yeah, well then we can't do anything about that.
Come on, come. Come on, you.
Come, you stupid thing.
Come on. This is just taking a bit longer than what I thought. Okay. Here it comes.
What does that mean? Who farted?
Travis, who do you think fought? No.
For once. Maybe
Come on.
Travis, no.
Come on. Hannah, just stand still with that grab.
Yeah. Let me just
Come
stand
on.
out his way, and when he comes out, I'll grab him.
Hello, baby. Come on. His head's right here.
I know, I saw it.
Trav, take a photo. Come on. Let's get you right here. There we go.
No?
No, I missed it.
He needs to come out like fast and...
There. Grab it.
Oh,
Oh.
shit, Dad, I can't.
Come on, you. Which way you go? There he comes. Quickly.
No.
Right, just keep the grab there.
Okay.
Put the grab. Get the grab. Quickly, grab it there. Grab it.
Wait.
Don't use the grab upside down.
That's him. It's long.
No. Trav, hold the torch.
No, keep the pin in your hand. Just in case you need to pin his head. It's the dumbest thing I've ever seen in real life.
This?
Yes.
No, this is
Back up, you problem, okay? It's burnt.
where?
Other belly. No, stop it. It's just dirty. I don't know.
Come on.
What's alright? Where's his head now?
It's back there.
Keep holding, he'll eventually.
No, they'll eventually release. Give me some
I like
towels.
this head.
He's coming.
Slowly.
I don't want to hurt it.
Yeah, but you don't also... He's like jabbing him with his tail. It's got his little bit of a stumpy.
Come on, dude. It's like a fucking Mexican standoff. We can't push the fridge back, no. Otherwise we'll hurt it.
No.
I'm happy really with the grab.
No, Dad, you're whipping him, you're whipping him.
Am I hitting him?
Yeah.
You can hear it a
You
bit.
can hear that it's pulling him. He has to release himself.
He's gonna come out of there like a bullet just now.
Lift.
Yeah.
Let me get him as close to as possible and then try and persuade him.
Yeah, just wiggle.
Come on.
Switch the fridge off. No, you can't really. Yeah, it's coming.
Positive. You see there? Where is it?
Wait, yeah?
Can you see his head?
Okay.
Where's it going up?
No. To the side.
Okay, let me
Hannah,
just...
use a pin to tickle his head. Maybe he'll back out.
Yeah, I'll try and hook him with a pin and push him. Come from this side.
Oh, wait. Hannah, pass the torch quick.
Is his head this side?
Yeah.
Oh, then...
No.
No.
This side. I'll
Is his head there?
just hold him.
Yes,
down.
I can see his head.
Okay, well then go tickle him with a pin.
Where back?
Just round
Oh,
the back.
okay. Let me see if I can grab it maybe.
No, you can't. Just try and, Hannah, just try and chase it back with a pin.
Back, chance horse. Come on. go. Oh, she's got a fucking ball. Ooh, you just put the thing. Come on. No, he's coming towards me now.
Let him come.
No, don't shine the light directly on him, don't you, baby? You're gonna make him scared.
Okay, I'll let him go that way.
No, wait.
No, let me just let it go that way. Hannah, just let it come out. No, you got him wrong.
I've got him.
So she's got him.
I've got him.
But he's backing up. Okay, try see now if you can pull him. Can you pull him?
Wait, let him. He's coming towards us.
Okay,
If you
just
let
hold
go,
on.
you'll come. You want to get a better grip on him there? He's around the fridge.
Okay,
Can I
let him
let
go.
go? You sure? He's gonna come out, huh?
Okay, just hold there.
It's far enough that he won't bite the head.
Yeah.